In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to secure your website by installing an SSL certificate through HostGator. This guide will ensure that your website displays a padlock, giving visitors confidence that their connection is secure and their data is protected. Let's dive right in by opening Google Chrome and logging into your HostGator cPanel account. If you haven't logged into cPanel before, you'll find that it's where all the magic happens for your website's backend management. Once you're comfortably in the dashboard, take a moment to look around if you're new to this interface. Familiarizing yourself with where things are will come in handy. Now, we want to find the security section. As you scroll down the page, keep an eye out for it. Typically, it's located a bit further down, but you shouldn't have trouble finding it. Once you're there, you're going to spot an option labeled SSL TLS. Go ahead and click it. This is the area where you'll manage all your secure socket layer certificates, which are essential for encrypting data between your server and visitors' browsers. The next step is to choose Manage SSL Sites. Click on that option and a window will open up, showing you a list of domains associated with your HostGator account. Here, you'll need to select the domain name you want this SSL certificate to be applied to. If you manage multiple domains, take a moment to double check you're picking the correct one. This step might seem straightforward, but accuracy here will save you headaches later on. Now comes a crucial decision, choosing the type of SSL certificate you wish to install. If you're on a budget or just getting started, a free SSL certificate like Let's Encrypt is an excellent option that HostGator fully supports. Click on the option to install a Let's Encrypt certificate and follow any on-screen prompts. However, if you've already purchased an SSL certificate from another provider, you'll need to upload it here. Make sure you have all the required certificate files ready, and simply use the provided interface to upload them. It's a straightforward process, but make sure each file is correctly placed and formatted as per instructions given by your SSL provider. Whichever route you choose, upon completion, take a moment to verify that everything is successfully installed. You should see confirmation within your cPanel that your SSL certificate is now in place. Remember, this installation not only establishes security, but also boosts visitor trust and can positively impact your search engine rankings because browsers like Chrome flag non-secure sites. That's it. You've now secured your website with an SSL certificate using HostGator.